Just getting out for the day, Saturday, and we just passed this walls that they're doing all these different murals from the local artists. They're really good. A lot of talent around here. Now today we're going to do a river walk. Again, we have a gorgeous day. We're getting spoiled with this so early here. So we go down Toledo. We're going to go over to the Toledo Bridge. Parks all around the city. Just hit into a flea market as we're passing. Clothes. You want clothes? Okay, here you go. Fur coats. Get your fur coat.
Abriguitos de piel, abriguitos de piel.
Shoes, clothes, sweaters, t-shirts, shirts, pants, dresses, anything you want. Got jewelry. These are cool, these fancy pants. €3 for fancy pants. Very nice. Light skirts. A lot of people are wearing these around here. So we made it to the Toledo Bridge. It's a pedestrian bridge, which is nice. It's a nice section around here.
All
Apartments, parks. Oh, we got a walking man. There's our friend with the bird chirping. Chirping bird means it's okay to walk. Russian sage. Oh, nice. Toledo Bridge and the river walk. There's some kind of bridge. I don't see any traffic on that either. Maybe that's another pedestrian bridge. So going to walk up the river today. To gondola ride. Summer. That seaweedy smell. We're playing a trick.
Right.
Seaweed, pull out the seaweed and play with it.
Yeah.
Here's the river. A little low, but there's a dam over here. There's a cafe over on the other side. And you got a soccer stadium. Giant stadium. Oh, you could cross over the river here. Little pedestrian crossing. Nice apartments along the river. Okay, this is the dam. It smells like bass fishing. There's a carp. Okay, we're on the other side of the river. These pine trees are nice. I have these all over. And they grow very tall. Big stadium. I can imagine that goes crazy when they have a soccer championship game. It's like insane for soccer in Europe. Okay, there's the Segovia Bridge, and this is poplar. And when the wind blows, they reflect. Aspen or poplar, one of these. But the underside of the leaves are kind of give you a little sparkling show. Right.
But they didn't build it up like 6 feet. That was the
Yeah.
line.
Patricia remembered it's the quaking aspen. We saw those in Colorado. There's a fountain up here.
Look what the side is. There's a Space Needle kind of thing. Oh, that's to the side.
Oh yeah. Space Needle way in the distance.
Here's a great big cathedral.
Yeah.
That's pretty. That's like the river element.
Yeah, a little artistic display.
Yeah, this would be really cool if they did it at home.
Yeah.
Element right in the river, it's using the river water.
Yeah, really. They're choosing river water, no problem. They just filter it and spray it up. Relaxing. Okay, that's the palace. Yesterday we were there looking down on the gardens and the river. Now we're at the Segovia Bridge looking up to the palace. The Segovia Bridge, built in 1564.
This is Royal Palace. That's the cathedral.
Yeah, that's the cathedral. 1564. Wow.
Not with the highway.
No. We have no idea what this thing is.
Chicken coop.
Yeah, it's like a chicken coop in the middle of the river on floats. Could be a house for seagulls or whatever. Pelicans, egrets.
There seems to be any of those around.
Yeah. Very strange. Well, here's another house. It's a bunch of pigeons on the top. I don't know, maybe it is a pigeon house. And then they have these stations along here. Like a fishing place to fish, but they're all along the whole river. All up and down. Kind of strange. There's no sign of any fishing. It'd be a great place to fish if the river was high. Probably in the different season in the spring, but the spring is now. I don't know when they get their rain. Could be winter time. There's what happened to our... Oh, there it is. There's the gondola ride. Doesn't seem to be on a... I think we're not completely sure if this is the right one, because it seems to be too soon for it on the map. We'll check it out. There we are.
Oh, shit. Hello. Hi. How are you?
Hi. How are you?
Welcome aboard. We will now begin a journey to Madrid, way up high in the clouds. Whoa. I wanted to tell you a little about myself because I am not...
Oh, look at the rose garden.
Where?
Oh, yeah. Ecological means of transport. Over the course of 2.5 kilometers and 11 minutes, you will discover the experience of flying over Madrid. We will reach maximum height of 40 meters and an average speed of 12.6 kilometers per hour. During the visit, some of the monuments just plain talk. What a surprise that will be! They are going to tell you their secrets. They are some of the most significant sites in the city. I myself will tell you a few anecdotes about some of them.
Here we are at the other end of the cable car ride. We're going to head back to the city.
From the other side.
Nice panorama of the city.
You see the Royal Palace?
Yeah, the Royal Palace.
You can see how big this green space is.
Yeah, it's a gigantic park on this side of the river. Gigantic.
The Plaza de España skyscrapers a little to the right.
The Spanish skyscrapers.
Oh, see? They just mentioned the skyscrapers.
I know, the skyscrapers.
And then something else.
Gigantic, the skyscrapers. It's they're way above the other skyline of Madrid.
Listen. Oh, how this city adapts to the times.
Everybody's sunbathing over here.
Maybe this is the Egyptian temple. It
Yeah.
looks very old.
Yeah, this looks like the Egyptian temple. They're talking about it on the tram ride. It's 2,000 years old.
That's what it is. It looks like. It looks Egyptian, doesn't it?
It does look Egyptian.
Yeah. See what we can see. Oh, that's beautiful. Well, maybe it would be the Temple of Dibode.
Yeah, this is it. Temple of Dibode.
People there to go to both the Amen and ISIS. Donated this plan by the Egyptian government in 1968.
Oh. We got plenty. Here's a model of what the temple looked like. It was given to Spain by the Egyptians in the 1900s. 1968? Oh. These are the porticos that led down to the river to this temple. Got palm trees and cactus. Perfect weather. Perfect arid climate for these kind of plants. Plus the eucalyptus, not the eucalyptus, the sycamore trees. Really like it here. Tons of sycamore trees.
There's the Princess Hotel.
That breeze feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Breeze and shade.
Madrid is full of parks. They're all over the place. They're really nice. They're well taken care of, too. King Carlos III. Another monument.
The conquistadors or somebody.
Conquistadors.
They're all battle weary.
Yeah. Oh no, that's Don Quixote.
Alright.
Don Quixote. Don Quixote and Pancho Villa. Nice statue. Everybody wants to
Very
be
shiny.
taken with Don Quixote. Gotta rub his spurs. Olive trees are beautiful. This is the Lion King is here. Looks like Times Square here. Of course, the buildings are much lower. Same atmosphere. Sirens, jackhammers.
Here in Nebraska, because
Yeah.
Nebraska, of course, is known around the world for its fine cuisine.
Yeah. calamari sandwich.
American 1950s.
50s
It
restaurant.
must be like honeymooning here or something. They have the pictures taken everywhere.
Tommy Mel's. American 50s restaurant. Get your, they're doing wedding pictures. It's like New York.
Except everybody's shorter.
Yeah. three streets like this, going all directions.